Hey everyone, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with Hungry Mom. Hey Mom.
Hello everyone.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
I have a nice surprise for you today because I know one of your favorite foods, if not your favorite food in the whole world, is
hot dog.
Right, hot dog. Wow, I'm glad you pulled that one out. So this is a hot dog on
On a stick.
On a stick, and we all know food on a stick is a lot more fun and delicious, right?
Yep.
Okay,
Just don't eat the stick.
Good advice, Mom. Don't eat the stick.
Right.
So these are Trader Joe's uncured turkey corn dogs, batter dipped, uncured turkey franks, which we made in the air fryer. Our corn dog is a little on the burnt side, but I kind of like burnt food. Do you?
I like it.
So these are sort of healthy. They have 170 calories, 5 grams of fat. That doesn't sound so bad for like a carnival treat. Do you want to bite first? Or you want me to bite
I'll
first?
do it first.
Okay, go for it. Ooh, crunchy. What does it taste like?
Crispy corn dog.
Whoa! Is it sweet on the outside?
A little bit sweet.
I put a little mustard on this, right?
You
This
did.
is delicious. You want another bite?
Sure.
Ooh,
I'm
wow.
hungry.
She is hungry. That's a great item. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Good job, Trader Joe's. We love these uncured turkey corn dogs on a stick and make them in the air fryer. Bye.
Hey, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.